Pingali Venkaya, the architect of the Indian national flag. Pingali Venkaya, born on August 2, 1876, in Bhatlapenumaru, near Machilipatnam in Andhra Pradesh, India, was a multifaceted personality known primarily for designing the Indian national flag. A fervent patriot, freedom fighter, and a polymath with interests ranging from geology to agriculture, Venkaya's life is a testament to his unwavering commitment to India's independence and his deep sense of national pride. His most enduring legacy, the Indian tricolour, continues to symbolize the country's unity, diversity, and aspirations. Early life and education. 1. Family background. Pingali Venkaya was born into a Telugu Brahmin family in the village of Bhatlapenumaru. His parents were Hanumantha Rayudu and Venkataratnama. Growing up in a rural setting, Venkaya displayed an early interest in education and learning. Though education and early interests, Venkaya pursued his primary education in his village before moving to Colombo, now Sri Lanka, for higher studies. He later returned to India and enrolled at the prestigious University of Cambridge, where he developed an interest in various fields such as geology, agriculture, and linguistics. Career and contributions. 1. Geologist and agriculturist. After completing his education, Venkaya worked as a geologist. His interest in agriculture led him to experiment with various crops and techniques, earning him recognition as an agricultural expert. He wrote several papers and books on these subjects, contributing to the scientific community. Though political involvement and freedom struggle. Venkaya's involvement in the Indian freedom struggle began with his participation in the Boer War in South Africa, where he served in the British Indian Army. His experiences there inspired him to fight for India's independence. He joined the Indian National Congress and became an active participant in various freedom movements. Designing the national flag. 1. The quest for a national symbol. The idea of having a distinct national flag for India was driven by the need for a unifying symbol that would inspire and rally the masses during the freedom struggle. Venkaya, deeply influenced by Gandhian principles, took up the challenge of designing a flag that would represent the diverse culture and aspirations of India. Though evolution of the flag design, Venkaya presented several designs to Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders. His early designs included elements like the charkha, spinning wheel, symbolizing self-reliance, and the Swadeshi movement. After several iterations and inputs from leaders like Gandhi, the final design was adopted in 1921. It featured 3 horizontal stripes, saffron at the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom, with a charkha in the center. Theme. Adoption of the tricolour. The design underwent further modifications, and the charkha was later replaced by the Ashoka Chakra, wheel, in the center, symbolizing law and dharma. This version was adopted as the official flag of India on July 22, 1947, just before India gained independence. Legacy and impact. 1. Symbol of unity and freedom. The Indian national flag, designed by Venkaya, has become a powerful symbol of unity, freedom, and national pride. It represents the values and aspirations of the Indian people and serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made during the struggle for independence. Though recognition and honors, despite his significant contribution, Venkaya did not receive widespread recognition during his lifetime. However, in recent years, his legacy has been honored through various means, including commemorative stamps, statues, and educational institutions named after him. Theme. Inspiring future generations. Venkaya's life and work continue to inspire generations of Indians. His dedication to the nation, his diverse interests, and his role in creating a unifying national symbol are celebrated and remembered with respect and admiration. Personal life and values. 1. Humility and simplicity. Known for his humility and simplicity, Venkaya led a modest life despite his significant contributions. He remained dedicated to the cause of independence and the betterment of society until his last days. Though commitment to education and knowledge, Venkaya's pursuit of knowledge across various fields reflects his belief in the power of education and learning. He was a prolific writer and thinker, contributing to the intellectual and cultural fabric of India. Pingali Venkaya's legacy as the designer of the Indian national flag is a testament to his vision, creativity, and patriotism. His contributions to India's freedom struggle and his role in creating a symbol that embodies the spirit of the nation have left an indelible mark on Indian history. As India continues to grow and evolve, the tricolour remains a beacon of hope, unity, and national pride, forever reminding the nation of the sacrifices and dedication of its freedom fighters, with Pingali Venkaya at the forefront.